play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Berhasil,
Then will you get bored of killing?
berhasil kawan. Mantul. Mantapnya. Oh, ini banyak sekali.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Mantul.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat Om semua, semoga kita selalu sehat ya, selalu bahagia, selalu dalam lindungan Allah. Pagi ini Om mancing, udah dapat satu strike perdana bro, mantap. Semoga masih ada cintanya, kita coba lagi.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it
Strike perdana dapat sidat nih.
I'm the one who's always
Mantul ya, kuning ya.
even though I offer all of the solutions.
Semoga ada tambahan.
Like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Sahabat Om semua, kita pindah ya. Sepertinya ikan sini sudah nggak bersahabat dengan kita. Kita coba di tempat lain. Kita pindah spot.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored again?
Kita pindah di spot yang baru. Umpannya pun tinggal satu. Kalau ini habis, kita pulang. Rezekinya hanya sampai di sini kawan. Kita cuma dapat 1 ekor. Umpannya habis. Cuma bawa 3 ekor cacingnya.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my
Oke ya, buat sahabat Om semua, kita sudah pindah spot. Ternyata di spot yang baru ini juga nggak ada kawan.
You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Sekian dulu mancing kita. Terima kasih buat sahabat Om yang sudah like, komen, dan subscribe. Mohon maaf buat yang komennya belum bisa Om balas. Kita ketemu di konten-konten berikutnya. Om undur diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I got issues in my head, like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not